everyone, my name is Teresia Aurel Berliana and my friend is Neta Rosaviena will be presentation about learning strategies consisting of blended learning and flipped learning. Okay, the first is blended learning. Blended learning is a learning approach that combines traditional classroom teaching method face-to-face with digital technology and online learning. This approach allows flexibility, time, place, and mode of learning and utilizes the strengths of both methods to enhance the learning experience and outcomes. Okay, the next is principles about blended learning. Number one is integration of learning methods, combining face-to-face learning components with online learning elements harmoniously so that both methods complement and reinforce each other. Number two, flexibility. Provide flexibility to learners in managing time and place of learning. They can access online learning materials anytime and anywhere. Number three, use of technology. Utilizes digital technology to enhance the learning process, such as a learning platform, learning videos, online discussion forum, and collaborative tools. Number four is interactivity and collaboration. Encourage activity interaction between learners and teachers as well as between learners themselves both online and face-to-face to deepen understanding and skills. Number five is personalized learning. Provide learning pathways that can be tailored to learners' individual needs, abilities, and interests. This enables a more personalized approach to achieving learning objectives. Number five is continuous assessment. Using various forms of assessment both online and face-to-face to monitor learners' progress on an ongoing basis and provide relevant feedback. Okay, the next is challenge of the blended learning. Number one is technology access and availability. Not all learners have equal access to the technology required for online learning, such as computers and stable internet connection. Number two is learner and teacher readiness. Learners and teachers need to have a sufficient digital skills to only test learning technologies. Additional training and support may be needed to address skill gaps. Number three is effective learner design. Designing a course that effectively integrates online and face-to-face components requires careful planning and thought. Teachers must be able to create the right balance between the two methods.
And I will explain about flipped learning. Flipped learning is a learning approach where traditional instructional content, which is usually delivered in class, is first studied individually at home, while more interactive and collaborative activities are conducted in class. In flipped learning, learners study material through videos, readings, or online materials before class meetings, so that in class time can be used for in-depth discussion, problem solving, and application of concept. And the principles of flipped learning is flexible environment. Provides flexibility in how learners access learning materials and use class time. Learners can learn at their own pace and repeat materials as needed before class. Number two is learning culture. Creates a learning culture where learners take responsibility for their own learning. Learning is learn centered, with them actively seeking knowledge and engagement in the learning process. And number three is intentional content. Carefully selecting and designing content to ensure that class time can be used for more high value activities such as discussion, collaboration, and practical application of the concept learned. And the last is professional educator. The role of the teacher changed to that of a facilitator and guide. Teachers provide individual or small group support, monitor learners' progress, and provide constructive feedback. They also design learning experiences that are deep and challenging. Challenges of the blended learning. Number one is technology access. Not all learners have equal access to the technology devices and internet needed to access learning materials at home. This can lead to gap in the pre-class preparation. Number two is self-management skills. Flip learning requires a high level of self-management and motivation from learners. Some learners may struggle to stay disciplined in completing materials before class. Number three is quality of online materials. Teachers need to ensure that the materials provided online are high quality, engaging, and easily accessible. Creating or selecting the right content takes time and expertise. And that's all from us. Thank you for your attention.